What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog and another video. And today is not going to be a typical video like we do where we are focusing on a specific part or anything like that, but just kind of like a little daily vlog. Got a few things going on, things that we have to do to prepare around here. Still focusing on cars, so stick around. Now, before we get started with the video, guys, I want to go ahead and thank every one of you guys that have subscribed and are part of this channel. We're almost at 3,500 subscribers. We're about 100 or so away, and I never thought I could get that far, which is awesome. So I really appreciate you guys, and thank you guys for supporting me. I am just out here having fun with my cars and showing you guys and helping you guys make your decisions moving forward with your build. So thank you guys for coming along and joining me, and hope that those of you that are fathers had a great weekend. Happy Father's Day to you guys. And one thing that I got was a new camera, which is the one I'm doing my video recording now, guys. So that's really exciting. And just to put into perspective, this is the camera setup that I was using, guys. This is a GoPro Hero 3, and it had like a little hot shoe mount. So very much older GoPro, but it got the job done. This is what I did all my videos on for the last year or so. And I used to have an external mic, but this connection, this little USB connection here for the external mic, actually started failing on me and got to the point where I was recording videos with no audio. So I removed the mic, and that's why you guys started seeing a lot more of the wind noise and things like that. And now I'm recording on a brand new GoPro Hero 8 Black Edition. So I'm super excited, and hopefully this is gonna bring a little bit better, smoother content, less wind noise, and give you guys better experience overall. So I'm excited. I can't wait to try this out. Today's the first video that I'm doing this with, and I'm still gonna be using this one for more angles. So when we go racing, when we're at the track, we'll have more angles ready to go for you guys, and hopefully bring you guys a better overall immersive experience. So obviously we've still got the Camaro here in the garage. The weather's been pretty bad here, and it looks like it's gonna be raining most of the week. I still haven't been able to run the car and get the gas low enough to make a difference, but we will definitely be doing that here before we go to the track. The truck got the wireless charger, everything's working good on that. One thing I've noticed is when the battery is very high, up in the 80 and 90% range, and you place it on the charger, it actually doesn't charge up. It'll say it's charging, but even after 15 minutes, you don't get any increased battery life. But if your battery is low in the 20, 30, 40% range, it does charge up rather quickly. So that's actually something that I'm not sure if that's how that's supposed to work, but it is how that is functioning. And we actually have my sister's Jeep here, which is what we're gonna go right now. She just got some new tires at NTB, and guys, little rant on NTB: do not go to NTB. NTB is horrible. They do not have a good customer service, and maybe not all of them, but at least the ones here around the Houston area have just been really bad. So she got the new tires all on her Jeep. She needed some, and it's starting to vibrate at a specific speed, which means that the wheels obviously were not balanced properly. And she went to another NTB to try to rebalance them, and it's still having the same issue. So we're gonna go to a separate independent tire shop to have them rebalance them again, and just double check and verify that the wheels and the tires are good. If not, maybe there's something wrong with the tires, and she was gonna have to go back to NTB and get a replacement set. But that's kind of what's in store for today. We're gonna go get that checked out, and hopefully that works fine. So what we're gonna do is we have to go to the tire shop that I've gone to, where I take all my vehicles. We're gonna go have them rebalance, recheck the balance on the tires, and then after that I've got to go return a few things and stop by Home Depot, because we're going to be tearing down all these trees, guys. All these trees. I've got about 11 trees around my property. You guys can see back there. It is so many trees, and some of them are already right over the house, and we don't want anything during a hurricane or anything to fall on the house, cause a hole or anything like that. So we've got to trim trees, and we've got a bunch of these pine trees which we're gonna go ahead and remove completely. So we've got chainsaws and a few other things, and we are going to, I need to go buy some fuel and all that, so we'll be stopping by Home Depot and see what kind of stuff they have, more tools and things like that. So let's get right to it. Well, we are back home, guys. We've got the tires balanced properly, and I gotta say, NTB, step it up, man. Like, seriously, these guys were able to get the tires properly balanced in the first time. It took you guys 2 times to get that done. But as you guys can see, the weather is horrible, horrible, horrible. So can't really do too much more outside, but we'll just go inside. And I want to kind of talk to you guys and give you guys some updates on the Camaro. Well, guys, here we have it, safe inside the garage. But I wanted to kind of give some updates and also answer questions that I keep getting asked on the comments below about the car and about the parts that are installed on the car. First and foremost question that I really need to get answered and clear up again for everybody is, do I still have the Speed Engineering headers? How are they holding up, and would I recommend them? And the answer is yes, I still have the Speed Engineering headers. They are on the car. They've been on the car for over a year now. The car itself has only been driven for about 4,500 miles. So it doesn't have a lot of miles on them, but it's been on for a year, and most of those miles are just racing miles. So the car is still there. It's handling great. The parts are holding up perfectly fine, and I would definitely recommend them for the price. I will say the clamps that come with the system are not the best. You can always upgrade those or go to your exhaust shop to have them do welding or put some B-bands or whatnot. So that is my take on the headers. Hopefully you guys are watching this video and can see that yes, the headers are great. They're doing well, and I definitely recommend them. Also, the plug wires, those headers require different plug wires. The stock ones will work, but one of them actually kind of barely touches, so going with a set of MSDs or any other plug wires will work because they use a thinner, smaller boot, so that works perfectly fine. The car has been great, guys. I haven't had a single issue. I'm luckily, hopefully, getting ready to get this thing down into the 9s, and after it runs the 9s, then I'll do the oil change again. It's about due 2,500 miles to do another oil change, but it is doing great. Now, as far as grip, guys, obviously I've had these drag radials and drag pack on the car now for a while. I haven't switched over. I've got my other street setup back there, the 1LE replica wheels, and the only reason I haven't put these on is because these Goodyear Eagle F1 tires do not hook whatsoever. Even with the wider 305 thread pattern, it just doesn't hook. The car needs some better tires, and my goal is to try to get some better set of Nitto NT 555 R2s that just got released, and those should help me a little bit from a roll. Definitely still won't work from a dig, and that's what these are for. But when I'm out and about here driving around, driving on the front skinnies is not horrible, but it feels a lot more comfortable driving with the regular size front width tires. So definitely gonna be doing that. And I do have all the weight taken out and all that, but I will not be keeping that permanent, guys. I do plan on putting back my seats and my rear NPP exhaust, because really I don't care too much for having this be a full dedicated on race car. I'm trying to get to the 9 as it is, and if really wanted to, I could probably put the weight back in and just go up to a 175 shot, or hell, even a 200 shot, and try to get there with the full weight. So I wanted to just give you guys a little update on the new camera equipment. Hopefully this video comes a little bit smoother, not as shaky, and the audio is a lot better, and you guys got a little update on the Camaro, and also making sure that you do not go to NTB to get any type of tires or work done, because it is not a good place. Went to 2 different ones and neither one of them could balance the tires on my sister's Jeep. Went to a small, you know, mom and pop tire shop and they were able to get it done first time right away. So with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A little bit different, but if you guys enjoyed it, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to bring you guys along during some just general stuff concerning cars, not specifically just racing, but just random things here or there, or just in general stuff around the house. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.